this machine that we have launched today will be able to grade their fruits, because we need quality when we are going to outside the market that we have in Europe and also part of Asia that we are taking our fruits. So there are those standards that are needed for this fruit to go there. So this machine is very ideal because now it will be able to grade, to pack, and also to clean automatically. Within 1 hour, we are able to do almost 10 tons, which maybe per day we have done maybe minimum 10 containers, which is 40 feet. So this one will be able to help farmers also that they will not be stranded with their fruits. We have been supplying, though it's not so much into supermarkets. We've been dealing with the people who come in our farm and then they take some kilos, but definitely they will not take all the grades. So this is where now we are able to pack them nicely, and then we export them because we deal with organic. So it doesn't matter the shape, doesn't matter the size. So we just pack them according to the grade, and that's why this machine will be able to be very ideal, because it will be able to grade number 1, number 2, and if it grades like 5 grams, it will not mix with the 3 grams. Locally, we are supplying in Greenspoon. Greenspoon is in Kikuyu, and these have been selling online, and for sure every week they need a ton, two times in a week. Then we have Karimoni who are taking 2 tons every week once. So we have been able to, even now, like yesterday we got fruits from Nyeri, and then we got from Moi University. So we were able to supply the 2 markets. So we supplied them that need 2,000 kilos, and then the green spring we need 1,000 because of their selling. They need 1,000 at the beginning of the week, and then their center. Then that is how we've been managing. And locally, they have been embracing the Wambugu apples because this one is organic. We don't use chemicals. We have been working with the local farmers who have been doing Wambugu apples, and we have been connecting them to the market. So no one has been stranded with the fruits. Even this event today, we had to take all their harvest for that the whole of that week, because in the pack house we have code rooms which we have done, so that we are able to manage that. You have 5 kilos, you have 100 kilos, you bring, and then we are like quickly selling them. But now we have the code rooms, so if you bring today, tomorrow the other one, so we're able to put them in the code room, and then we pack them, and then we sell them. For the international market for the seedling, personally, I've faced a lot of challenges because I didn't know before that you need to have a phytosanitary certificate for you to take them there, and also you need the permit on the other side to match a Kenyan, because you need to permit them, like maybe say like Zimbabwe, you need to take them there. Zimbabwe has to write to Kenya that look at these diseases, look at this pest, they should not come to our side. So we didn't know that. So sometimes I would come with a seedling and I'm stranded at the airport. But right now where we are, we have been able to work with KEFIS with their guidance, and we'll be able to export them and freely, and now we are somewhere. So I'm so proud of that. The supply outside depends on how many farmers that you're having, because like each country have some like most maybe like 3,000 farmers, and most of them they order when it is raining. So you find that maybe an year of every year I'm doing like 5,000 seedling to other countries, and so far we have been into almost 35 countries. Given that this is farming, it's not easy to convince and also to show them the ways. I'm so delighted that Kenya, we are in over 35 counties, and now farthest we have gone is Grenada, that is in Caribbean, and also Jamaica, and the part of Africa we have Botswana, we have Zimbabwe, we have Malawi, we have Tanzania, we have Uganda, we have Botswana. All these countries we have been working together, and I think it's a good thing and initiative, given that this is food security. Since we have been doing Wambugu apples, and now we've gotten some experiences on the plants, fruit trees, we'll be able to do some. We are diverting to other related trees on the same. So we are doing grapes. That one I got them from Ukraine, and it is the best grapes. Actually, it's a very nice grapes, and we have almost 7 varieties which are doing very well in Kenya. And also we are doing it's called pears, a very nice pears from Israel. And then we've got nectarine. We have nectarine. We have prune. We also have apricot. So we have been able to divert, because some of the farmers want to do other things. So we are also working with them and also giving them ideas, and not only giving them ideas, but also showing them how to go about it.